Beautiful people, what's poppin'? It's your girl Rochelle here again, and all that I've got to say right now is a big welcome to a brand new edition of Nka, the very show that brings you nothing but fun. We are going to go on a short break, and when we come back, we would first of all unveil whom our guest is tonight. Then secondly, we're going to be having an amazing conversation with him. Thirdly, we would present our not so little and not so big surprise. I know I'm not supposed to say this part, but I'm so sorry I'm bringing it. And I also hope my guest is not listening like he's going to play deaf ears to this particular one. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be games here on the show. So you see, we are going to have amazing time here on the show. So make sure you do not move a muscle, because when we come back, it's going to be showtime. Yes, of course, you are still watching tonight a special edition of Nka here on Afia TV, broadcasting live on DSTV channel 254 and GoTV channel 17. My name is Rochelle, and it's now time for us to do the first thing, out of all the things that I listed that we are going to do when we return from the short break. And that first thing is unveiling our guest, meeting this special guest that we've got for you tonight. So the person that I have seated with me here in the studio is no other than the one and the only indigenous rapper who simply goes by the name Slimwiz. Drum rolls for him. What's popping?
I'm good.
How you doing?
I'm okay. One.
I love your dreads. Is this also dreads as well?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why do you like it this tiny? Because usually guys like it bold and big. So
yeah, you're right. That's why I had to do tiny, because I want to look.
Oh, you want to look different?
Yeah.
I see, Mr. Different Man. You look good, by the way.
Thank you very much.
Did you start yourself, or you've got someone, do that for you?
Shout out to 101. He did the style.
Oh, 101 did this for you?
Yeah.
Wow, that's super good. So big shout out to 101.
Yeah.
I hope he's watching. So how are you doing?
I'm okay.
Okay. I love how you're sounding like, I'm okay. Like, you came with so much expectations and, so much to give out as well. Like, that's the energy you're giving right now.
Yeah.
So I'm correct.
Yeah, you're correct.
Okay, so let's start with knowing your real name. Yeah, we all know you're Slimwiz rather.
Yeah.
So what's your real name?
My name is Amos Samuel Ifanichuku.
Amos.
Yeah. My surname is Amos.
Okay, your surname is Amos.
Yeah, exactly.
And you are Igbo.
Fully Igbo. I'm from Enugu, but I was born and raised in Oka.
Okay, which part of Enugu are you from?
I'm from Nsukka.
Nsukka.
Yeah. And
people's surname is Amos, like people chose the English name?
That's like my father's name.
Okay, your father's name. Okay.
Answering my father's name.
Okay. Now I get. So you grew up in Oka?
Yeah, I was born and raised in Oka.
Oh, wow. So what was it like, being born and raised in Oka and then coming back to Enugu here?
Growing up in Oka is crazy, actually. Crazier than people think it is, actually.
Wait, is it this Oka or there's another Oka?
Just like I told you now, you're saying this Oka because maybe you know it, but you don't know Oka. You know Oka, but you don't know Oka. Okay. To some extent, like somebody that grew up there. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's very, very crazy, I'm not going to lie.
Like, what kind of crazy are you talking about? Like, interesting crazy or scary crazy?
Both
put
interesting,
together.
Crazy, and scary crazy.
Making it balanced.
Yeah. And, for somebody that is interested in music, there's no artist that have ever blown out of Oka, big artist that's blown out of Oka. There's none.
Is that a curse or something?
It's not like a curse. It's like, I'm just trying to tell you, growing up, there's nobody to motivate you. Say, you do this person, say, or this person did this, I can do it. So
it's always people from outside that environment motivating you, encouraging you to do music.
You just have to tap in the energy from the Enugu especially. Okay. You understand? So at the point, I was like, I'm not doing anything here again.
Let me come back to my roots. Where you
let
belong.
me just come back here and, and when I came back here, the reception was crazy, The people were supportive. Okay. And Enugu people love hip-hop music. Yeah, we do. Very well. I was like, bro, this is just it. So there's no need, there's nothing for me in Oka again.
Okay. Our lost brother is finally back. The prodigal son. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Thank you very much. Thank you guys for welcoming me back, actually.
Okay, so since 2009, we started seeing videos of you doing covers.
2019, actually.
Oh, 2019, don't mind me. I'm so sorry for that. 2019, we started seeing videos of you doing covers on different songs. Yeah. Was that when you started singing?
No. I started recording music 2015.
2015?
Yeah.
Okay, where were you? Like, what stage of life were you in that time?
I think I was, just out of the secondary school.
Okay.
Yeah, just finished my secondary school, yeah. But I was writing music in my secondary school. But I started recording after secondary school.
So, those songs that you wrote, what did you do with them?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah. It was just like, writing because you felt like you was writing. Mm-hmm. Like
more like you were grooming yourself.
Exactly. And I listen to Fino very much. Fino is like a role model to me, yeah. Somebody that like look up to. So I listened to him a lot. So when I started writing, I was just like writing. I started by, writing lyrics of him, his songs. I'll listen to it. Mm-hmm. I go buy 20 leaves, I go write them. People will come and borrow the book from me.
Just to learn the lyrics?
Yes, to learn it. So then they use all these Java phones. If you want to take music, especially Fino, you just have to come to me. The newest Fino music, you just have to come to me. So when I started recording, first time I went to the studio was 2013, but it was not like I went. Somebody told me to escort him to the studio. Okay. So when we went there, I did something, like a backup. So I was like, oh, okay. Let's just see how it goes. Mm-hmm. Then the next year, somebody did the same thing again. But this time, it was like more of carrying the hook for them.
Okay.
So, but that 2014, we started freestyling. My mother was like a trader. She has a shop in a market. It's a known market in Oka.
Which market is that?
First Market.
Okay, First Market,
yeah,
okay.
Anybody in Ifite would know First Market.
Okay.
So, my mother owns a shop there. So, we are four. We used to come there in front of them, we'll be freestyling, we don't even care.
Like to the admiration and observation
people, yes,
of
and to
people.
Our own satisfaction.
Okay.
We want to do this.
Okay.
So we started doing it. Then at a point, one of us went to record a song. He brought it back, to the hood. People were slamming it. People were like, oh, you have a song now. So they thought we are joking.
Okay.
So he's the only serious person.
Okay.
You understand that kind of
Yeah,
thing?
I see, yeah.
So I was like, but I know I'm better than this guy. How come?
How come? Like...
So I was like determined that I was going to record a song this year of my own. Mm-hmm. So I got a beat. It was Nasty C's. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Shout out to Nasty C, inspired me too. Because at his age, he was doing music then. So I was like, oh, that means I can do this music. I can't wait to grow older before I get into this music. Yeah. So I got an instrumental to one of his songs. So I went to the studio. I recorded a full song. So it was 7,000 naira. So I had to pay 3,000 because I don't get money.
Yeah, try.
So I tried.
Please, were you able to? Did you complete your money?
Yeah.
Did you later go back? Hope you're not owing nobody.
No.
So tomorrow, will not anybody come out and say,
Slimwiz. No. See, the fun thing about the whole story is like, my mom was the one that paid the money.
Okay.
My mom?
But you're very lucky because it's just on rare occasions that you see African parents that would support, careers like this because they always have this stereotype mindset. You want to be a musician, so you gotta make dreads, draw tats all over your body. You become wayward, start following women. No,
no, you're actually very right. That's why it's crazy because my mom hasn't even heard me sing or do anything before. Mm-hmm. You understand? She know that like I was very, very interested in music because. In the church, I'm a drummer.
Okay.
And aside from there, like in the streets, I hit local gong, Ogene.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was very, very much inclined in the music. So, but when I told her that I had a song, because like 2 days I was moody that my guy already got his song and I don't have my own. People were just thinking that I was wasting my time. So one day she was now asking me what the problem was because she knew that definitely was a problem. Okay. And I told her everything. She laughed. She was like, oh, you want to do music now? Because prior to the music, I wanted to play football.
Only you? From football to music?
First of all, I wanted to be a Reverend Father.
Okay. Now, this conversation is getting super interesting.
I wanted to
From Reverend Father
to the football. To the football.
Okay.
Then to music.
Okay.
So when I told her that, she laughed.
We hope you do not switch to another thing.
No. This is just the
This is the last bus stop.
No. I'm too committed to this shit now.
Okay.
I can't go back.
Okay.
So she now said, okay, we slept that night. Early in the morning, she wanted to go to the market. Mm-hmm. She now gave me 4,000. I didn't even see it coming.
Yeah.
I was the happiest boy on earth that day. So I ran. from my house. From my house to the studio, if you want to like take a public bus, it will cost you like 17 naira.
Okay.
But I had to trek because I don't want to remove that 17 naira.
From the money.
Maybe the producer no go tell me say my money remains 17 naira. You don't understand?
Yeah.
So I ran. If you see, I was sweating when I got to the studio. I gave him the one. I said, give me the song. He said it remains 200 because then now for plates they have to bomb my masters and give me plates. So I didn't know what to do. I had my earphones with me. I had to go down. I met two guys. I was like, guy, give me 200. Collect this earphone. The guy was like, I said, give me.
Was that the amount you actually bought those earphones?
Those earphones was like 600 or something.
Okay.
But you know, it was a distress sale. I needed it.
Needed the money.
And they gave it to me, lucky enough. I flew up there. I was like, oh, take the 200. He gave me 2 masters. I ran. I came back to the house. I first of all played the music in the house. My sister was very, very like, she was like, this is you. My neighbors now rounded my house. I was like, yeah, you know, I was feeling super proud of myself.
Who is this Messiah that lives with us?
Like, finally, bro, I'm listening to my song in my own house. Don't you know that feeling, man?
Yeah.
So I was crazy. I know. Then I took the other plate. I ran to the market, my mom's market. There's this guy that rents movies and all that.
Okay.
I already gave him I gave him the music, and I was like, he should wait. You know, night time when people they gather here, main plan. So night time, he just come play the music. People were just like, who's this? They got to point to me, guy. My head just sweat. I was feeling on top of the world. I was like, this is me now. This is me actually. Yeah, you know, I was super proud of myself. You know, people were like, guy, you bad. You know, that and then we are now able to see that I was more good than the other guy.
Okay.
Because normally I used to tell them, but I'm better than this guy.
Okay.
It's not like I'm doing it like to spite him or anything. But I know that I'm better and my song will be better than his. They were like, well, I bring that music now. So
would you say that you have a competitive spirit?
Yeah, definitely.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely. When I do something, I want to like, even though I want to be different, I want to be like, you won't talk about this thing without thinking about me.
Oh.
You understand?
I see.
You won't like, that's actually...
Are you that bold?
Yeah.
Are you that audacious?
In my craft.
Yeah.
Very, very, more than this. If I'm just trying to be...
Coordinate yourself.
Yes,
it's
because we are
CV.
live. You understand? Because normally I don't stand up swear for you. I believe in the...
But don't you think that's going to cause trouble for you?
No, do you know why it's not causing trouble? Because I'm not trying to be in somebody else's lane.
Okay.
I'm just trying to tell you that here, in my own lane,
this is who
this
you
is
are.
Me, and this is
you
what
don't
I
need to
can
mess with me.
You don't even have to come close to me because
Okay.
you get burnt. You understand?
You get burnt.
Yeah.
Did you guys hear that?
You don't have to just... So I'm saying in aspects of everything, be it music, personally or anything. Yeah, but shout out to all the niggas doing it, man. You know, hip hop scene in Enugu is going crazy now. It's like the highest it has gone. I'm not gonna lie. You know, people inspired us to start doing indigenous Igbo rap. Yeah. But now, if you look at where it's going now, you see that the future is not even, it's crazily bright.
Yeah, it's crazily bright.
Because the amount of talents coming out from the southeast, especially hip hop. And when you're talking about it, you're talking about Enugu. There are so many of them. You understand?
Now I feel so proud, you know, coming from the States.
No, you should be proud, man.
So, talking about being an indigenous rapper, do you think, you know, your career would get to a point where you would try rapping in English or maybe another language?
Okay.
Do you see possibility of that happening?
Yeah, I believe music is something that is like, it's not like, language is never a barrier when it comes to making music.
Okay.
Because like me now, I listen to Spanish music.
Okay.
Yeah. One of the artists that I love listening to, I listen to South African hip hops too.
Okay.
Sarkodie is one of the rappers that inspire me.
Oh, okay.
You understand? So when I rap, it's not that it's complete Igbo. I just talk about like I'm an indigenous Igbo rapper because I want to represent this culture.
Okay.
And I express myself more when I speak Igbo language. Yeah. That is why I decided to rap in Igbo. It's not like I can't make music in English or any other language.
Okay.
But when I even write in Igbo, I mix English.
Okay.
Yeah. If you listen to my sound, you know that you notice it is very
noticeable. Yeah. You just mix it up. It's just more of Igbo.
The only thing that is very, very Igbotic there that I deliberately do is the accent. Because you have to know that I'm Igbo boy.
Okay.
You understand?
So you don't need to form, I'm a Tish guy.
Like, the thing is about me, whenever I open my mouth and talk, people already know, Omo Igbo, especially in Lagos.
Okay.
Like, Omo Igbo, that guy's, I'll be like, yes, Omo Igbo.
You just have to represent where you're coming from.
That's just
okay.
it.
So when you are writing your songs, you know, when you're making music, there's this recent project that you have called What a Life.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what inspires the kind of song, your style of song, and also what you rap about. Okay. What inspires it?
Let me come to that song, What a Life. It's actually my latest project, and it's doing crazy now, actually. The song was actually dedicated to my mom. You know, my mom is late.
Oh. Yeah. I'm so sorry for that.
It's okay. Most of them don't even know. That's why I have to say it on live television. So, when I wrote that song, actually, since my mom died 2019, yeah. Since then, I've not been able to, like, open up that emotion of me, you know, write about my mom, how she died. Because she died, like, it was crazy. You know, I was with her, you know. We were talking. After talking, I said, let me go to the studio. I was in the studio when I got a call that my mom slumped.
This is so bad.
Yeah, it's very crazy, actually. So, before I came, you know, taking her to the hospital, you know, Nigerian hospitals, they be like, doctor, no deal, carry am go here, you know, blah, blah, blah. Before then, she really gave up the ghost. So, since then, it has been difficult for me to talk about it or like even come out straight. Some people were expecting me to do a tribute for my mom, you know, but I didn't find it right.
As someone that even sang a special song for, is it Man You?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. No, you did a song for Man You. Go ahead. Just go ahead with yourself. We know you in and out too.
No, yeah. People actually were expecting it, but it was like one of the heaviest emotions that I've ever embodied in my soul. So it was not easy for me to let it out. So I didn't do it. So the day I wrote that What a Life was the day Mohbad died.
Oh, okay.
RIP to him. He was one of my favorite artists in the industry. I was looking so forward, eager to work with him. So the day I got the message that this nigga died, I was like, how did this nigga die? There was no reason. Like, they couldn't even say one thing that killed this person. It's not like he had an accident or, you know, he was ill or... So I was just thinking, I now remember this was exactly how my mom died. She did nothing was wrong with her. I was just saw her now the next 2 hours, they say she's dead. But the first thing that came to my mind was like, what a life save. That was the first thing that I said.
And that was why you titled the song, What a Life
Save. I now had to stick with it. Now, my emotion was now all over the place. I didn't know what to do. I had to start writing. That was when I started writing the song. So when I wrote the song, I was just, there was place I talked about Alo Bamuniano yesterday, Cambia tomorrow. When I say not by himself, that was a real life story too. This is my guy, you know, Chibuzo, in the hood actually, you know. I was not there, but you know, we spoke. But the next time that I was hearing about him was like he committed suicide. Why? I don't know. You know, everything was just coming to my head that day, you know. But then again, I was like, okay, I just have to. I wrote the song last year. I recorded it last year. Okay. I was holding the song.
So it says to release it this year?
Even this year, I no plan to release that song. I just one day I was speaking to my brother, Black Vibe. Shout out to Black Vibe. He's my brother, man. We was talking and he was just telling me all these songs that I'm holding, even Naughty Mix. Shout out to Naughty Mix too. They were like, this song where you hold, yeah. You know these people don't know how good you are. Now we be saying that we be your friends. We day with you, we know how good you are. But they don't, the people that are supposed to know that you are very good, they don't know.
They don't know.
I was just thinking about it because I was waiting for the perfect time. And then he told me that there's no perfect time to drop music. There can never be a perfect time because you are not signed to a label, you are an independent artist. Now, person waiting for label, they say, oh, let me wait. When they bring out the budget or anything.
Yeah,
but
then I can drop the song.
It's just you. Yeah. So I was like, fuck it, man, I'm going to drop this song.
Watch the language.
Okay. So I was like, I'm going to drop this song this week. I came to my social media, I announced that I'm going to drop the song on Friday. I announced it on Sunday. People thought I was joking. You know, out of nowhere, Friday, I dropped the song.
And it's been doing wonders.
Like, the reception of the song I've been getting, I didn't even see it coming, I'm not going to lie. It has to like push me to shoot the video. But the video is not yet out.
Okay.
I already shot the video.
Okay.
And it's coming out very soon.
Okay. Yeah. So while you were talking, you made mention of looking forward to work with late Mohbad. Yeah. So are there other artists, both Nigeria and international artists, that you look forward
to work with?
Yeah, to work with in the future?
Yeah, a lot of them.
Okay.
Starting from Fino.
Oh.
Any day that I make a song with Fino, okay, that's the day I will say, Mama, I made it. You know?
Okay.
So Fino MT.
Okay.
South African rapper.
Okay.
Like, big inspiration to me. Yeah. Then Jerick. You know, Jerick is like the new sensation. Definitely want to work with that guy.
Okay.
Agro Banks, I already worked with Agro Banks. I have a song with Agro Banks.
Okay.
Yeah, but hopefully we'll be, coming with my projects, my EP.
Okay.
My EP is coming very soon.
This year?
I'm not giving a date.
You're not giving it. You should give us a date. Come on.
No.
Slimwiz, you can do better than this.
Okay, let me just say, it's not going to be beyond February next year.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not going to be beyond February next year.
So we should expect,
Definitely.
The biggest of the biggest.
It's going to be like total different sound.
Okay.
So, yeah. Then I already worked with Ziggy.
Okay. Yeah. You have something with Ziggy. Yeah.
Google P too.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
These people are people that I look up to. People that inspire me. In as much as we are all coming up together, but these are the people that the kind of effort they put in, the kind of work they put in, inspires me to this thing feel work. Make I really follow up. As they follow up, so that kind of thing. Yeah. I think that's just it.
Okay, so there are other up-and-coming artists that are watching tonight, and I'm sure they're already wondering, so what's this guy's strategy? What's the tactics like? How is he doing this? How is he able to push through as an independent artist? So if you are to pinpoint or say, oh, these are the strategies that I am adopting or that I have embraced to get to where I am, what would you say they are? What method are you using?
Okay. The first thing is actually you should stop, hoping that one day you'd be at your home, somebody's going to come and sign you. I think that talks with a lot of people actually.
So that's the first reality check.
Yes,
you should just wake up, face it squarely, come out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reality. Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to work on yourself.
Okay. Well, let me chip in something. While you were doing covers, was that a way, of you announcing yourself in the industry?
Yeah, that was a way of me trying to build up a little.
And also show how versatile you are.
I can be that. I can go on any sound.
Okay.
I'm not just limited to rap sound or hip hop.
Okay.
I do commercial music, and I even write commercial music that I don't even sing.
Okay.
I am a serious songwriter.
Okay.
I write for people.
Okay.
You understand? So, I just choose to rap because I feel like this is the best I can do.
Okay, so you already made mention of one factor. Okay, are there more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another thing is you should be consistent. I'm also telling myself this. When I'm talking about consistency, I'm telling myself this.
Because you really need it.
No, I really need it because prior to this song that I dropped, the last single that I dropped was 2022. Mm-hmm. It's been way, way too long. So I'm telling myself to consistency, because if you're consistent in doing something, that is when people would know that, you are doing this.
You're very serious.
You are very, very committed to this now. You have to treat it like there's no other option. That is how I see music now. I see it like there's no other option. I just have to keep on going. So that's it. Then again, we should work on collaboration too, as an upcoming artist, as an independent artist. Collaboration is a vital point for you to look in and work into.
But is this something that is it to come by, in those parts of Nigeria?
Yeah.
Okay.
Collaborate, even if it's not just for music. Collaborate with videographers.
Okay.
Collaborate with producers.
Okay.
Collaborate with mix engineers. I know that you come out now, people will be like, because when you want to record a section, they're going to tell you their price and all that. Maybe it's way too much for you and all that. So don't just give up because of that. Keep on looking. You go find producer where you say, you go understand, see, this person good.
Yeah.
You are this talented, but things are difficult because you are independent. They will find a way to help you. I'm not saying it's going to be free, yeah? But they are going to make it easier for you.
Yeah.
That is the power of collaboration. Then networking too. You have to network. You can't just be inside your house, be like, oh, I'm inside. This is me too, I'm telling myself. Because,
I just love how you dish out this advice and you also bring it back to
myself.
You.
Because, I learned from my mistakes.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm now trying to tell you where I slacked, that I'm trying to keep up with now.
Okay.
So you won't make the same mistake that I did. You understand?
Okay.
When I dropped Trap House, I left enugu.
Okay.
So I left enugu, I didn't come back. I was in Lagos for 2 years. I lived in Lagos. It made me slack in a lot of things, because the person where they see here and they go, no, say they do this thing. They do these events. They don't feel call you now. They see you. When last did you drop it song? You have
to help yourself first before people can help you.
I'll be like, all these promoters that all they ask myself, if you be promoter, you go call yourself. You don't see all these boys really hot. You understand? See, there are more than 10 boys that are hot. they rap like you. Not like the same style, but they are, still rappers.
They're also good as well.
Fucking good people. So you just have to come out and get it. Take the bull by the horn. Tell them like, yeah, you should call me. You have to. You understand? Show them why they have to call you. You understand? That is just it. And the last thing is, this is what I told myself. Before any label or any sponsor will invest their money in your head, they have to know that you are capable. You are a worthy investment for them to make. Because somebody will not just see you, come to your page, nothing there to prove that you are serious about music, and they think that we're going to sign you.
But we've seen some artists, go this route, and they're still successful and big out there.
Like, people that they don't know from somewhere, they just come out.
Not that they don't know them from somewhere, but maybe they have strong backing, and then they are not really active on social media.
Did you hear what you said? They have strong backing.
They have strong backing, right?
You don't get strong backing, nothing. Like Rema now. I'm not the best example you want to give when you're talking about people like that are Rema. I think Mavin's got Rema before people knew him on social media. So when they got him, they had to groom him before they even announced him. That is how Maven started the artist. They get an artist, they groom you for like 2 years or even 1 year before they announce you. That is why if they're announcing you, they're dropping EP, album, like everything is already set. So before you get that kind of connection, it's rare. It's like 20 out of 100. So the easiest route for you as an independent artist is social media. You have to market yourself there. You have to put yourself out there. You have to make people there see you. Like always. That is why I say consistency. Because if you come slack, they will forget you.
Yeah.
Other people will be there. But when you just keep it consistent,
they're gonna know.
Definitely. Shout out to Jerick. That is how, his technique, he was too consistent for people to leave him behind. Because every day you come, he's dropping a new song, he's making a video. He's always on your face. You don't have any choice. So it's
practically impossible for you not to know this person or to even forget him.
It's not possible.
All right.
It's not possible.
Those are powerful points. So if you're an up-and-coming artist, I hope you take this words of advice seriously, because it's going to pay off, believe me. And not just for the up-and-coming musical artists, for every other creative out there, the points he mentioned, consistency, making sure that you always put yourself and what you do on faces of people, you project yourself frequently, all the time, keep doing it. You are definitely going to get there. Definitely. We still have Slimwiz right here in the building with us. We're going to go on a short break. When we come back, it's going to be the second thing on our list. Is it the second? No, the third. Yeah, the third thing on the list of things to do on this show tonight. Make sure you do not go anywhere. Nka is going to be right back. And yes, of course, it's still the Wednesday edition of Nka, the 4th of September 2024. I still have a Slimwiz right here in the studio with me. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our not so little and not so big surprise here on the show. So let me first of all start by asking Slimwiz if he loves surprises. Do you like surprises?
Bro, I don't like surprises, man. I don't like
surprises. Now this is getting super interesting. You do not like surprises, right? Nevertheless, we are going to surprise you. Oh. Yeah, you do not have an option whether you like it or you do not like it. We would still go ahead and surprise you. So let's see if you are going to be surprised or not.
Wow. Okay. Yes.
You look so confused, I'm
okay.
Lost. So what are you seeing on the screen right now? Can you see somebody? Can you see something?
Yeah.
Okay. So who is that person?
That's Slimwiz.
Slimwiz.
Yeah.
Good and fine. Okay. Let's see what's next. Yeah. So this is real you. Before you decided to do this.
Wait. Where did you guys get this picture from?
Question and answer. If you ask me.
No, bro. This picture is on my Instagram. How are you guys getting these pictures?
Okay. Keep asking me question while we have fun. Can you remember the year you took this picture?
This picture was 2018.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where was that? In Oka?
In Oka, yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay, let's see.
So many memories.
Is that all? Okay.
That has to be all.
Oh, that has to be all. If you make noise again, we'll go back to it.
No.
Better.
Please,
Better.
please.
Okay. So let's move to playing games. You love playing games too, right?
Yeah.
I can see it's written all over you. So we're going to be starting with our rating game. So on the rating game, what we'll do is I give you names of people. You rate them from best to worst. So you tell me who your best is and who your worst is. Okay. Do not mince your words. Do not try to hide your feelings. Just be you.
Just names, yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to give you the names. So you tell me this person is taking my best tag and this person is taking my worst tag. Are we good to go?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So you're going to be rating from best to worst these rappers. Number 1 is Hugo P. 2, Aguero Banks. 3, Kula Boy. 4, Quincy. And 5, Jerick. I love this selection. It's not a setup, it's just a game. No, it's not. It's just a game.
Okay, you're talking about their names, yeah?
Yeah. So
not
tell
like
me.
Their ability as an artist.
I don't know, but just tell me who your best is and who your worst is. It's a rating game. When you rate someone, what are the factors that you put into consideration?
A rating game?
Yeah, it's a rating game. Why are you guys
trying to do me like this?
Nobody's doing you anything, please. You are here, I'm here. What am I doing you? I'm not doing you anything. So please tell me, who's your worst and who's your best? Oh, the very simple. It's very simple. Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Okay. You're not speaking Igbo. You want us to speak Igbo.
Help you. I don't know what to do.
Please, it's just a game. It's not that serious. And by the way, you know, a good number of those persons, they've been here and they also played your games as well. So play the game. Nothing
serious,
big deal. Nothing serious. Yeah, it's just a game.
So repeat the names of the
So I have Hugo P, Aguero Banks, Cola Boy, Quincy, and Jerick.
Okay. Rating, I'm gonna go Aguero as the first. I'm gonna put Aguero number 1.
Number 1, what tag is that coming with? We said best and worst. Yes.
So it's not like I should list them.
No, just give us your best and your worst.
And the worst.
Yes.
I don't have to mention the best and the worst.
Just mention the best and the worst, yes.
No hard feelings, yeah?
Yeah, no hard feelings.
It's just a game.
It's just a game.
For me, I think the worst should be Cola Boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then your best?
My best. I mean, shout out to Hugo P, shout out to Jerick, but I think my best there would be Aguero Banks.
Okay, final answer. Aguero Banks.
Yeah.
We have it. Very simple. Did you die? Did anything happen to you? Nothing happened to you.
Shout out to Hugo P, shout out to Jerick, shout out to Cola Boy too.
Okay, all right. So we're going to be playing this one. It's called This or That. We're going to be very snappy with this. So all you need to do here is just to give me your response as prompt as possible. Like, I'm saying this or this. You tell me which it is. Do not waste time. Okay. Are we good? Okay, so best place to live in the East, Enugu Owerri.
Enugu.
Egusi Onugbo.
Egusi.
Abacha pizza.
Abacha.
Suit or traditional.
Traditional.
Clubbing or sleeping.
Sleeping.
Call or text.
Call.
Mid 30 women or mid 40 women.
Mid 30 women.
Okay, light skinned women or dark skinned women. Bro is trapped. So which are you choosing?
Can we skip that one?
No, wait. Which? Choose one. Let's move on. Time. We don't have time.
Dark skin women. Light skin.
What did you take that had to say? Okay, I'm taking the first one. Dark skin women. Chicken or goat meat?
Goat meat.
Egusi or bono?
Egusi.
Fufu amala?
Fufu na.
Moi moi or akara?
Akara.
Puff puff or buns? Fried rice or jollof rice?
Jollof.
Which of the jollof? Nigeria or Nabi?
Nigeria jollof, man.
Okay, Asun or Nkwobi?
Nkwobi na.
Okay, a round of applause for yourself. Now, it's time for us to play the last game, and it's called the impression game.
Impression?
So tell me, who is your favorite performer? Whether a musician, an actor, or a comedian?
Whether a musician, actor,
a comedian, just one person, yeah. Who's your favorite performer?
An actor, but I don't actually know his real name.
Just choose the one that you are sure of. Choose one.
Hi.
One, your time is ticking.
But this person I'm talking about is the person that acted Ragnar Lothbrok. He played Ragnar.
Oh, that can you choose? So I say, give me the name of the person. You're talking plenty. Okay, now let's try music. You're a musician.
Yeah.
So who's your favorite performer?
Burna Boy.
Burna Boy. Okay. You know what you're going to be doing for us? In not less than 30 seconds, you're going to be singing like Burna Boy here. Yeah, you would have to mimic him. Yeah, you chose Burna Boy.
Because he performs so good.
Okay, that's it. So you're going to sit down, right? Just sing one of his songs like the chorus. Just do something for us. Is that so hard? Okay.
Burna Boy song, any of his songs?
Any of his songs.
I think I should sing Ye.
Okay.
Ye, 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 make you know say anything where you do, they must commentate. I can't come and kill myself. Now I do anything. I try to do on my way. Plenty so far where we fish. Just to make sure money day. For my people in the show, I know one die. I know one payment. I want enjoy. I want buy motor. I want build house.
And you're going to get all of that. Thank you very much for playing that one wonderfully well.
Yeah.
And with that, we've come to the end of the show. The way you had to even say anything with me, like you've been looking forward to it before I set you up again.
I don't know why.
All right, thank you very much, Slimwiz, for coming on Uka tonight. It was indeed a pleasure to have you here on the show.
Yeah, thank you guys for having me.
And we'll look forward to seeing more of you out there.
Definitely.
Okay, so one thing you're going to do for us is to have one assignment to complete. Yeah, we've come to the end of the show. My name is Rochelle. Thank you very much for joining us on the show tonight. Tomorrow is going to be another day. Now, Slimwiz is going to be officially signing us off with a freestyle.
Bro.
Yeah, so just do something. Sign us off. Like, wrap up the show. We're done. Let's have it. You want me to give you beats? 1, 2, 3. Hey.
Okay. Freestyle, yeah?
Yeah, just a freestyle. Let's go from there. Please be mindful of your words, yeah?
Yeah, but the difference between people and Kake. If you go to school, more and actually, everybody for life get one thing where they go sabi. That's why for the street, anything where you be not bagay. Real talk, I'm the mouthpiece of them OGs, gentle guy man, one day with the OT. The flows the hard drugs, you check it there, cause you go overdose, surely one day you go OD. No long cap, cause you know the shit is really no everybody will logo, yeah, so I told my niggas to chill. On the reg, any beats where I get a kill, and even your best rap, I go be like, damn, this nigga's ill. Or just loving them, feeling like a monster. Like Rudy and baby, I'm trying to live like I'm a rock star. A baby face, but lyrically a monster. Everything I do is blessed, cause nigga, I'm a born star. Rah.
Au revoir, people of God. Bye-bye. See you all tomorrow. Good night.